As consumers of music and entertainment, we often see the big tours like the Taylor Swift Eras Tour or Beyonce or some of the other large touring acts that are out there right now. And there's so many varied opportunities in live entertainment production, whether it be kind of in the backstage area or through artist relations or on the touring side or at the venue. One of the venues where students find themselves is at the Xfinity Center in Mansfield, Massachusetts. We have several alumni from Johnson & Wales who are working in managerial positions, and then also students who are either volunteering or working in the student program.
My name is Megan Knight. I'm a recent graduate from Johnson & Wales University, and I majored in sports, entertainment, and event management and specialized in live entertainment management. I took courses more specifically to my interests, and then I started taking an internship while I was at JWU. I connected with a professor, Dr. Viscardi Smalley, who had also worked at Pretty Polly Productions, and that was my first internship, really getting me into the industry. I would say a lot of my hands-on experience, like my concert and event production course and directed experimental education courses, really helped me to get where I am today.
I've always enjoyed learning about facilities, how they're built. I remember one of my classes, we looked at the Coliseum and how that was built. Some of those same concepts are still used in venues today. Sustainability is a growing industry. There's always something new going on. We work with great Johnson & Wales grads every day, a few of them that are part of the management team, and we've all bounced ideas off of each other. It's a really great experience to be able to take what you've learned and apply it somewhere. We call ourselves rock stars because we all enjoy live music as well.
By reaching out to Professor Eskelson, he was able to connect me with my current boss now here at Xfinity Center. I not only run the event operations student program here, but in day-to-day prep for a show, I assist with the general manager and the operations manager with different projects to enhance the venue. What I really appreciate about my role is that no 2 days are ever the same. Once a project is complete or a show is over, I move on to the next, and it's a new, different adventure.
When I think of events, I think of weddings, parties, corporate events. I never really thought about music, but now that I am in the music world, I'm glad that I did it. In addition to running payroll for all staff here and doing their scheduling, I am responsible for onboarding new staff, making sure that they're maintaining their trainings throughout the season, and overall have a good experience working here. One professor taught me to be open-minded and to try new things and to always take the risk even when it does scare you. I would have never gotten to experience the things that I did if I didn't listen to what she said.